Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to ask you all whether I should buy the iPhone 12 or not. Yes friends, right now the iPhone 12 is available for about discount in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. And in case if you want me to buy the iPhone 12, let me know in the comment section below how many users are actually willing to see the iPhone 12 reviews in my channel. So based upon the comments only, I'll be able to buy the iPhone 12, and even I'll try to post the community post as well as soon as possible for the iPhone 12. So make sure to participate in the iPhone 12 community post whether I should buy this iPhone 12 or not. Only based upon your feedback and reviews I'll be able to buy the iPhone 12 device. So right now I'm really confused, and very soon I'm gonna sell. If I buy the iPhone 12, I need to sell few of the phones. So make sure to follow me regularly because I'll try to announce few phones which I'm going to sell as soon as possible. So very soon, if I buy this iPhone 12, then definitely I need to sell a couple of phones because this is out of my budget at this moment, the iPhone 12. But let me know in the comment section below because I'm getting a lot of comments regarding the iPhone 12. Can you please buy it, and can you please review the iPhones in your channel, and you compare the iPhone 12 versus other phones, other Snapdragon phones out there preparing, because I will try to do the in-depth comparisons between all the phones. So they want to know how is the Android, how is the Snapdragon processors are comparing with the iPhone 12 A14 Bionic chip. That's what their point of asking me to buy it. And because right now the price of this iPhone 12 is coming down to 51,999, and I got a friend who did order for about 50,999 as well yesterday, because in the midnight the price of this phone 1,000 got less, but right now again it got increased in the morning. That's another thing. So let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to participate in the community post for more details. So I'm this kind of dilemma right now to buy or not the iPhone 12 device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I'll get a lot of response from you all. So depending on the response, I'll try to decide whether to buy this one or not, and let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye.